I'm winning! For now. There you go. At least it's going in easy. After fighting with it before. My new wrenches arrived. Oh, wow. All right.
Was it getting tight?
Yeah, really tight.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's all the way in. I'm done.
You're done?
I'm done. Your turn.
My turn on the other side where it's cold?
Oh, you can move the heater. Well, maybe. Move it. Well, I gotta unlock it.
I ain't worried about it. I don't want to sweat my ass
So
off.
where's the other bracket?
Right here?
I want to see if it actually does fit in that hole. If not, then you have to use my method. No, it don't. You have to use my method.
Darn it! I don't want to lay in the dirt.
Oh, come on. I got a towel that you can lay on.
Let me grab my jacket. Power cord. Please, sir.
Why do you need this for?
I have some light.
You got eyes?
Some shitty ass eyes.
Oh, thank you. You too. Shit, all right.
I'm glad that shit ain't breakable.
Yeah, I know, right?
Like, damn.
Slap right in. My precious.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. And then all you have to do is just, let's say you need the 10, like we're gonna lose it again. Slip right in. Uh-oh. I think I hear him. Yeah. What is going on, guys? So we got a DOA 2008 Honda CRV. Let's get him. How's it going, sir? If you can, drop it on this side of the driveway. You know, there's lines that are around here. Yeah, that side of the driveway. All right. Huh? I told them where to drop it. Hawkinsville Collision and Towing. I don't think so. Yeah. Yeah. People are piling up right now. I guess all that fluid was some other tow.
Huh?
I guess that fluid is from other tows, or?
No, it actually started coming out. You can see it's got some,
Oh, that is not good.
What?
That looks like oil. Or is that coolant?
Smells like coolant.
That's coolant.
So I'm pretty sure it's got a blown head gasket. That's the reason why it won't start.
Yeah. You mind lifting up on the winch lever just a little? Just a little. Nope, not that
Oh,
one.
wait.
Winch.
Winch up.
Yeah. There you go. I'll tell you what.
I got mine off.
Yeah. These things are really convenient. When it comes to letting go, they don't like letting go.
I don't.
I guess that's good if you're pulling uphill.
Look. Those are my favorite spots. Oh, the key does not unlock the door.
Yes.
Just
The customer already advised me about
he
that.
was very clear on that.
Aftermarket switch with wiring. Oh my. Wonder what that goes to.
All right, gentlemen.
All right, you're clear.
We're off to the races.
All right, there you go, right on the money. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's see. So, customer stated O2 sensor needs to be replaced and diagnose why the vehicle is,
Why the vehicle won't start.
the vehicle won't start. It said it was overheating. When it arrived over here, it is leaking coolant. It said that the temperature sensor wire is kind of messed up. And I can see some ghetto something going on over here. But where would that coolant be leaking from is the question. What about the lower radiator hose? That looks bone dry. No coolant in it.
None.
None whatsoever. How many miles does this bad boy have? It has 224,437 miles on the odometer. About 224,500 miles.
I don't think this is right radiator cap. There it goes.
Yeah, it's supposed to have like a lock. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pain in the butt to get on.
But where could that leak be? Ow. There's some kind of wire there. It looks like... Splashing.
That's nasty.
I don't know. Would be nice to have a vehicle lift.
Yeah, it would. Everything is wet, so I don't know.
It's all dry over here. Well, mostly dry. This is mostly coming from over here. I'm just worried that the block is messed up. So let's check oil.
It's not milky.
Not milky. Could use an oil change, but no coolant. Oil looks good, just needs changing.
For the fun of it, where's the key?
I don't even know what this wire is for.
Message from the dark.
Battery's dead.
Let me get the jump box real quick. Shut up. You probably tried cranking it over multiple times, couldn't get it started, and decided to call me. All right, try it now. We need a compression test on this. You guys,
That don't sound healthy.
it don't.
Let's go ahead and take the battery out. Put it on charge.
Yeah, we'll do that. Fine.
You like his battery hold down?
It don't come out one way or the other. Now on charge. Oh, let's see here.
With the wiring, but yeah. What was that call for?
I don't know. I don't have my phone. All right. Let's see here. Call is for Jumpstart here in Warner Robins.
Maggie Drive, except 30 minutes, because it'll only take like 10 to get there.
Yeah. And I'll try digging, prodding around on that and see if I can find something.
Yeah, I'd at least take that battery out, put it in the charger, see if it's any good.
Yeah.
But
It's a Walmart brand battery. It's out of warranty.
yeah, it's 3 years old too.
No. A little over 2. Let's see here.
But yeah, I'd take that battery loose.
Yeah, take this off. Or take this out, put it on the charger, and then poke and prod around to see exactly what's going on with it. Because the leak is over here. Somewhere.
Yeah, it looked like since it, why does it look like transmission fluid?
Huh?
That looks like, no. It's just
Let me grab a rag. Go away. I think it's just water. I think it's just looking red because of reflection or some shit. I don't know. It don't look red. Looks like just water. But the transmission is over on that side, so there's no transmission cooler.
The cooler was over here.
No.
Cooler's right there. There's a filter on the cooler line. Cooler runs through the radiator.
Yeah. But that line just goes straight over there, though. Because there's only two lines. There's one right here and one on the end right here.
Okay.
But all the water is over here.
Yeah. Oh, well, dig into it and see when the battery's charged.
Yeah.
That way we can fill it up and try to start it. Probably pull the plugs out of it.
Inspect them. And if it's a blown engine, rest in peace.
See if he wants to sell it.
Yeah.
That's a K24 motor in it.
Yeah.
That motor can be built.
It can't be built, but if you crack the housing on the vehicle, then fun.
Oh, I got a call to go to.
Yeah, go do that battery jump.
Back in there?
Huh?
Is the jump box back in there?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I don't think I plugged it in, but it doesn't really matter. Probably doesn't matter, but yeah.
I'm gonna plug it in anyway.
Well, plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Let me get a 10. We got a new tool set. Oh. Grab this with my 10. This is pretty nice tool right here. Haha. And he's off. Yep. Go ahead. Take his battery terminal loop. Wait, is it not a 10? Really? It's a 12? Face it the right way, Mike. You gotta face it the right way. Oh, come on. Fit in there. Aha, there you go. Let's start with this one. I think I need wrenches. He disappeared. You know what? Better idea. I can't use my new tool set. But I do have his socket set. It's that and 12. Right? 12 with the adapter. Wait, hold on, dude. 13, 12. Actually, use that. I don't need no adapter. Haha. Perfect. Mike, you might be on a roll. So let's put on this back. I need to straighten up the storage parts room. I also cannot get that. That's the only downfall. There's my downfall for the day. And let's see here. Put that back. Don't need that. Don't need that. Do I have... Nope, that's a 14. Maybe I'm lucky I got a 12 around here. Maybe. Somewhere in the sands of time. Or probably all of it. Let me see here. What about my employee's little toolbox here? While we're working on the Jeep. Oh, come on. And, oh, he does! I am back. Alright, how do I open this? There we go. And 12. I think that's a 12. Yep, that's 12. Mike is winning again. Take this battery out. Haha. Mike is going to win. Or not. Or I am. Haha, got it. Alright, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put it on the charger. Let it charge over time. When the battery is completely full. Oh, I need to straighten everything up. I got a battery here. I also want to test the battery first. While we're at it, let me go ahead and take my slightly refurbished battery down. Put that there for now. Let's move this, all this. I've been reorganizing as much as I can, guys. My trash is really full. Alright. I need to save that wire, or that cable. Alright, so it's saying cold cranking amps 540. So we're gonna test the battery. Battery test 540. See what it's gonna say. Need to replace battery. But we're gonna, it's saying 12.28 volts at 180 cold cranking amps. But we're gonna go ahead and plug her up one way or the other. I need to charge that battery. That battery's fully charged. I got too many chargers over here. I'll just drop that down. Why do I have wires in all directions? I need to fix everything. Rewire everything. Alright, so let's take this. Oh, come on now. Give it to me. Will I be able to reach? That's a question. Yes. Plug her up. Alright. So we're gonna plug her up. Let her charge over time. Retest battery. Because it's saying that this is a bad battery. And it's a disposed battery. That's not good. It's swelled out. But we'll get it charged up. Let's go ahead and look underneath that hood. Because it is still leaking. all over the place. Ah, I'm hitting you guys on something. Let me place the light down here. See. Let's see. I see a lot of crud. But there's a lot of fluid back here. Not sure if you guys can see it, but that's a lot of fluid. And that alternator is caked. I'm gonna show you guys. You can see how all that fluid is caked on and everything. How it looks really nasty. There's all that fluid right all around here. But before anything, because that is nasty way down there. That is way nasty. I don't think this vehicle can be fixed or not. Not really sure. And that's the power steering. Yeah, that's power steering. Cool. But I am not sure, because the fluid starts right here, or fluid leak starts right here, but we didn't see no indication of oil leakage. But it is all caked on with water. So the question is, where's the water coming from? And the engine is stone cold. So I'm kind of at a loss of words here. So the only things that I can think of is taking the top off over here where the coils are, take the spark plugs out, inspect the spark plugs, get the compression tester, test the compression. Should test between 90 to 130 psi of pressure. If it doesn't test very good, I really can't tell underneath this, but if it doesn't test really good with compression, then we know that he ran this vehicle too hot to the point where something majorly wrong happened. Now I'm gonna poke around on this vehicle, try looking around, see what I can find. But other than that, this is our first DOA, dead on arrival vehicle. We'll figure out exactly what's going on with it, because it does not look too happy. And that's the power steering hose right there, going straight to the steering rack up there. It's kind of like a weird place for a steering rack, but I guess it is what it is right there. But other than that, we checked the oil. Oil is full. Looks like it needs to be changed, but we'll cross paths with that depending on what the customer wants. But he just wants us to diagnose exactly what's going on with it, replace the O2 sensor. We can replace the O2 sensor, but other than that, with it leaking coolant, that is like, it's still kind of dripping right there. But this is bad. Very, very bad. So we shall see what the customer says after we fully diagnose exactly what's going on with the vehicle, and see what this customer says. But I hope you enjoyed this video. We got a project on our hands. Depending on what this customer says, he might just take it and scrap it, or whatever, or try selling it for parts, depending on what he wants to do. But if it turns out that he wants to sell the vehicle, I know my employee would like to buy the vehicle and rebuild the engine. So that'll be a project that we can do out here somewhere. But we'll see what the customer says and start working on it. And yeah, so please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below of your thoughts, opinions, concerns, suggestions. And as always, y'all have a great day and God bless.